Writing the letter A. Are you ready? Let's go. So, when we write our letters, we want them to sit on the line. For common A, nice and round like a dumpling, cut it on the side, and we're going to be writing 3 of those letter A's, common letter A's, or lowercase letter A. Now, did you do that? Good job! Let's move on to writing the uppercase A. We also call it the capital A or the big brother A. Did you write it? Good job! Now, let's write the capital A and the common A, or the uppercase A and the lowercase a. Good job, good job. You can write. Now, let's search on my chart the letter A. Good job. Let's search. Can you see the letter A? Come on, go ahead, search. Good job. I found the letter A. Wow. Now, this is a box with many letters and words, and I'm searching for the letter A. Now, boys and girls, you can search for the letter A anywhere you go. I found it. I found it. Did you notice that the formation of this letter A is a little bit different from the one I did? But it's the same letter A.